Get started with making money online. Your earnings are all in growing a large, engaged list. Introduction. Making money online has become popular for a variety of reasons. People can now build their own business, have a flexible schedule, and find an extra source of income. But what's the best way to get started? The answer is simple. Grow a large, engaged list. Building an email list should be your top priority if you want to make money online. While this may sound like a lot of work up front, it can honestly be one of the quickest and most effective ways to start earning with your website or blog. Read on to learn more about how building an email list can help you get started with making money online. How can you get started making money online? There are a number of ways to get started making money online. You can start by creating a website or blog and offering content that is valuable to your audience. You can also offer products or services that you sell through your website or blog. Additionally, you can participate in affiliate marketing programs, where you promote products or services for other companies in exchange for a commission on each sale that you generate. Finally, you can also create and sell your own products or services online. Whatever method you choose, the key to success is to build a large, engaged audience that you can market to. How to get started with list building. There's no doubt that one of the most important keys to making money online is to have a large, engaged list. But how do you get started with building your list? Here are some tips. 1. Use an email service provider. This will allow you to capture emails and add them to your list. 2. Start a blog. A blog is a great way to drive traffic to your website and capture email addresses. 3. Create valuable content. Offer something of value on your website or blog that people will want to sign up for. This could be a free report, video, or audio recording. 4. Use social media. Social media is a great way to promote your content and grow your list. Be sure to include a call to action in your posts so people know how to sign up for your email list. 5. Use paid advertising. Paid advertising can be a great way to drive traffic to your website or blog and grow your list quickly. Just be sure that you're targeting your ads properly so you don't waste money on unqualified leads. What are some strategies for growing a large, engaged list? There are a number of strategies you can use to grow a large, engaged list. First, you need to create content that is valuable and relevant to your target audience. This will help you attract new subscribers and keep existing ones engaged. Second, you need to promote your content through social media, email marketing, and other channels. This will help you reach a larger audience and get more people to subscribe to your list. Third, you need to offer incentives for people to join your list. This could include discounts, freebies, or exclusive content. Fourth, make it easy for people to sign up for your list by providing a simple form or link on your website or blog. Fifth, keep your list clean and organized by regularly removing inactive subscribers. This will help you maintain a high level of engagement among your remaining subscribers. Finally, don't forget to measure the results of your efforts so you can continue to improve your list building strategy over time. How to grow your list quickly. The quickest way to grow your list is by using paid advertisements. You can use platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to target individuals who are interested in what you have to say. Another great way to grow your list is by guest posting on popular blogs in your niche. This will give you exposure to a whole new audience who may not be familiar with your brand. Finally, make sure that you are regularly providing valuable content to your list members. If they see that you're always giving them helpful information, they'll be more likely to stay subscribed and engaged. How to make money with your list. The first step to monetizing your list is understanding that your list is valuable. Just because you have a list of email subscribers doesn't mean they're automatically worth money. If you want to make money from your list, you need to give them value. The second step is creating content that will help your audience solve their problems. This could be in the form of blog posts, ebooks, courses, or anything else that provides value. Once you have valuable content, you can then start promoting products and services to your list. This could be done through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or product launches. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to monetizing your list and making money online. Conclusion. As we have seen, getting started with making money online can be a daunting task. However, with the right strategies and dedication, it is possible to build up an audience and capitalize on that by monetizing your website or blog. By following the tips outlined in this article, you will be able to generate more leads through an email list and ultimately make a substantial amount of money from your online endeavors. Good luck!